Very happy new year, everyone. Welcome back. These are just the colors that I'm going to be using today: black, yellow, and white. And that's just my medium. And I'm just going to start with my yellow color. And I'm going to use it to smear my canvas with part of it to help with the flow. So here we are, ready to start. Check out the viscosity on the colors. See, that's the black, and I put another puddle in there. This is, of course, is called a puddle technique, and it consists of building up puddles of different colors that we then going to use to create our design. So I'm using the gold in there, and now I'm going to add white, and I'm going to continue that creating my puddles, and I'll be back when I'm ready to start tilting. How about that? All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. And here we are. There's my puddles and my corner catcher, and I'm just going to do the four corners. I'm not going to be messing around with the tilting. And there's corner number one. While I'm doing this, I want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for all the support you gave me during the Christmas vacations. I really appreciate it. All of your kind comments and well wishes about my husband. He's doing great. And he went back to work today. So thank you all very much. I missed you a lot. And I'm glad to be back, and I miss your comments and talking to you guys. So here's corner number 4 that I'm working on. And I'd like to clarify that there is no silicone, nor will I be using any heat in this pour. It's just paint and medium. And I share my recipe with you guys at the beginning. I see some blobs from the gold paint in there that I'm gonna remove from the picture. And here's how it looks like. I'm going to now apply some lines with a toothpick, as you can see there. Just giving you an idea. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because I'm not going to waste your time, but I will show you how it looks once it is done. I'm just trying to find the flow of the paint and creating designs with my toothpick. I really don't like that blob of gold that I see on the top, but then again, there could be worse things than a blob of gold paint, huh? So, but anyway, I will do something about it. And you know me, I always do things off screen and try to improve the painting. I just don't want to waste you guys' time. And so here it is. I'm just having fun. And this is kind of how it looks like. I'm not going to mess around with it anymore. And I'm going to let it dry. And I'll be right back and I'll show you how it dried. All right? Okay. So here we go. A day later. And I like the top of it, but I'm not a fan of this part over here because I let it dry in an uneven surface. So this is what I'm going to do to fix it. I'm going to protect the part that I like with a plastic bag. And I'm going to use a holy stencil that I have in here. Everything I have here at home, I haven't bought anything. So I'm going to place it where I want the pattern to be, like right there. And then I have white spray paint, see, that I'm going to use to form a pattern a design on this pour. As you can see there, I sprayed the first side, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm hoping it looks really cool, and it does. Check it out. And now I'm going to repeat the steps on the other side to make it even. The idea is to make it look like there is a little mist flowing in there. I know for you guys it's upside down, but you'll see how cool it's gonna look. Now, right in the middle, I want to do gold, metallic gold, to match that it is, to match with the rest of the painting. So there you go. So I'm applying very carefully to not mess up the other paint right there. So I think it's pretty cool, and I'll be right back to show you how it dried. Here it is. Like I told you, the idea is that this upper part looks like a little mist. I followed the pattern. See, there it goes. It's like it's raining down. I really love those cells that form at the bottom. And overall, I'm pretty happy with my painting. You can see I put some black in that blob of metallic gold that I had in there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it, guys. So thanks for making me company today. Until next time, keep pouring.